Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yusrianti from Management Class 22B with MPM 224111. On this occasion, I will explain some material and various discussion about working capital management. What is working capital management? Working capital management is a branch of financial management that manages the working capital of a company to achieve optimal value. The aim of working capital management is to produce shareholder will file through optimal profit generation. Working capital is the amount of net asset available in the form of cash and other current assets that are asset to finance company operation in the short term. Main components of working capital management. Current balance sheet accounts are more important when considering working capital management. While working capital often requires comparing a current asset with current liabilities. There are some accounts that are more important to track. Cash. The essence of working capital management is tracking cash and cash requirements. This involves managing a company cash value by estimating needs, monitoring cash balances, and optimizing cash inflows and outflows to ensure that the company has enough cash to meet its obligation. Since cash is always considered a current asset, all account must be considered. How, however, companies should be wary of restricted or term savings. Next, receivable to manage capital, a company must pay attention to its receipts. This is especially important in the start and they wait for credit sales to be complete. This involves managing company credit policies, monitoring customer finance, and improving collection practices. Ultimately, completing a sale does not matter if the company cannot collect payment on the sale. Next, debt is one aspect of working capital management that can be utilized by companies that often have greater control. Other aspect of working capital management might be outside a company control. Selling goods or collecting receivables, companies often have the right to determine how the pay supplier, credit terms, and when cash disbursement of made. Next, in inventory, companies primarily consider inventory during working capital management, as this is perhaps the riskiest aspect of capital management. When inventory is sold, companies must go to market and rely on customer preferences to convert inventory into cash. If this cannot be resolved on time, the company might be forced to have short-term resources treated in an illiquid position. Alternative, a company might be able inventory quickly but only at the price discount. Type of working capital. In its truth form, simple working capital is simply the difference between asset mode and obligation fluence. How, However, there are many types of working capital which might be important to your company to understand certain needs. Working capital management can improve cash flow management and the quality of company profit through the efficient use of existing resources. Working capital management includes managing inventory as well as managing receivables and payables. Working capital management also involves determining the timing of payments, supplier payment. Companies might conserve cash by causing the exit supplier payments and utilize available credit or my-speed cash by purchasing async cash means this choices also affect working capital management. Benefit of working capital management. 1. Increases organizational efficiency. Good capital management is an indication that the company is managing inventory, liabilities, and assets will and truly solvent in crisis. Next, instrument potential. Managing working capital will incredible to the financial healthy of a business and can increase investment potential. Next, increasing liquidity. Working capital management can guarantee the company's liquidity level to managing current asset and current one debt. Increased probability. Good working capital management can increase a company probability by maximizing expenditure within a sales one level, anticipating description. Good working capital management can help a company anticipate possible disruption to cash flow project the one company. Working capital management can protect the company against working capital crisis due to a decrease in the value of current assets. Next, determining working capital needs. 1. Cash analysis. Calculate amount of cash needed to financial daily operation. 2. Receivables analysis. Estimating the rate of payments of customer and reducing working capital requirement. 3. Inventory analysis. Optimize inventory levels to reduce carrying costs and risk of loss. Next, challenge in managing working capital. Uncertainty. There is uncertainty in the life of assets, so companies must estimate the useful life of current assets correctly. Relative on equity. A good working capital management strategy requires the use of common equity, but the use of common equity is not always available. Market changes can affect demand and supply, so companies must be able to adjust working capital management quickly. Late payments, late payments from customers can affect the company cash flow, so the company must be able to manage receivable will. Dependent on supplier, Dependent on supplier can affect a company inventory, so companies must be able to manage inventory well. Next, working capital processing strategy. Managing inventory. Companies can manage inventory well so that there is no excess or shortage of inventory. Managing receivables. Companies can manage receivables so that there are no late payments from customers. Managing debt. Companies can manage debt well so that there is no dependency on debt. Managing cash flow. Companies can manage cash flow will to avoid cash flow shortage. Managing current asset. Companies can manage current asset so that there is no uncertainty in the life of the asset. Important point. Working capital management requires monitoring a company asset and liability to maintain supplies, cash flow to meet short-term operating expenses and short-term debt obligations. Managing working capital pyramidally revolves around managing receivables, account payable, inventory, and cash. Working capital management involves tracking various strategies, including the working capital ratio, collection ratio, and inventory ratio. Working capital management can improve cash flow management and the quality of company profit by investing resources efficiently. Working capital management Strategies might not materialize due to market fluctuation or my sacrifice long-term success for short-term gains. That's all the material I can company. If there are words and sentences that are wrong, I apologize. Thank you. See you next time.